All right, here is our United Airlines 777-200ER pushing back at Newark. This is the business first cabin. This flight is going to Hong Kong.
To use, slip your arms through the straps and hold it close to your chest.
Smoking is never allowed on the aircraft. U.S. law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying laboratory smoke detectors. Federal regulations also require passengers to comply with lighted signs and crew member instructions. For a taxi, takeoff and landing, large electronic devices must be turned off and stowed. For international destinations, your flight attendants will advise you if it's necessary to turn off and stow your device.
Unfortunately, the light's getting low. I will not take this in 4K for takeoff.
Make sure you install smartphones, tablets, and e-readers to airplane. We'll be taking off soon. Please remove the safety card located near your seat. Stow your tray table, carry-on items, headrest, and footrest. Make sure your seat back is upright and your seatbelt is securely fastened. Please be considerate of other passengers by carrying on only one small bag and one personal item. Please place your personal item under the seat in front of you. At United, safety is global. From all of us around the world.
Thanks.
Thanks.
Thanks. Enjoy your flight.
What's like the longest pushback ever?
We will be dimming the cabin lights. We recommend that you fasten your seatbelt over your blanket or garment so that it is visible whenever the seatbelt sign is illuminated. Thanks again for flying with us. We'll be back with more details about tonight's flight after takeoff. Welcome to the front of the
There's Manhattan in the background. Yep, longest pushback ever. We've been going backwards for a while.
Ladies and gentlemen, in order to try to correct the problem that we have with the video monitors in the rear of the aircraft, we'll be shutting down the entertainment system for a few minutes and let it reset. We will advise you when the system is back up again. We thank you for your patience.
各位女士先生，由于机上的娱乐系统出现故障，我们现在需要重新的启动这个系统，大概需要10到15分钟左右。我们也非常感谢大家的理解以及耐心等候，谢谢。
That's it, guys.